happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this absolutely gorgeous Japanese piece of engineering. A 370Z in for some tarox, big brakes and a K&N air filter. So, let's get it! So as you can see in the engine bay of the 370Z, the old intake system is off now, the two sides, and we have, oh, look at that, oh, K&N, I love K&N. So yeah, we're just about to put the K&N systems on both sides. So let's get the K&N kit on and see what it sounds like. As you can see underneath the bonnet of the 370Z, the new K&N air filters are in now. So we're going to start it up and see what they sound like, the difference to the standard system, hopefully the loud induction noise, because that's exactly what he wants. And we've also got some improved airflow now, and it's going to be really, really good boosting. So the intake sound loads better. Now we're going to move on to the tarox. Big brake discs for the front and new pads all round as well. And there you go, that's the difference between the old discs and the new discs on now. Now Shane's going to reattach the caliper, obviously make sure that this is secure, and then change for the new tarox brake pad. So the 350 is about to come down, it's all done now, and it sounds loads better on the front end and has some immense stopping power now as well. So if you want, like him, any intake systems or any brakes fitting, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.